Introducing the VILTROX 20mm f/2.8 FE, the ultimate wide-angle lens for Sony E-mount cameras. Experience fast autofocusing, capturing fast-moving objects effortlessly with near-silent shutter sound. Weighing just 157 grams, this sleek, compact marvel is perfect for impromptu shoots anywhere. With a full-frame 20mm focal length, capture expansive horizons and breathtaking landscapes. Enjoy a minimum focus distance of 0.62 feet and a maximum magnification ratio of 0.17x. The optical structure includes 10 elements in 8 groups for crisp, clear, distortion-free shots. Upgrade your photography with the VILTROX 20mm f/2.8 FE, designed for Sony E-mount cameras.